Hello, my name's Steve Heath from California.
I'm Kurtis White from California as well.
I had purchased several bows from Dave, and I've always been interested in archery. And up until recently, I just started doing archery. And over the phone, Dave's been giving me some pointers. My brother-in-law decided to pick up the interest and learn as well.
And I have no background whatsoever in any kind of archery or weaponry or anything. I've done some hunting in the past years and years ago, but I just literally over the last 3 months that I've
if 3 months,
if 2-3 months that I've even been shooting a bow. Period. So extremely novice coming out here and learning after shooting some of his bows that were amazing and shot phenomenal. But I just started getting into it and decided to come out here along with him to check out Dave Mead's place.
And when we came out here, we came out here with the idea of we wanted to build our own personal bow and our arrows.
Which we did, and they're excellent. They're amazing bows.
And Dave asked us about my hunting background, which wasn't extensive at all. But I had a little bit when I was a kid, but with my dad and my uncles. And obviously Kurtis from Missouri's had some experience hunting. So he offered to help us. He offered us as well as our bow building instruction to take us in the woods and give us some pointers. And I got some video of that, and I'm gonna tell you something. I went dressed like this, had a little bit of aftershave, my little bit of cologne, and my underarm deodorant. And he started teaching us about thermals, about in downwind and upwind, and he walked us around, showed us what to look for. Where he was showing us droppings. We came up, we saw droppings of the coyote, the deers,
all kinds of stuff. How to really submerge yourself and be part of nature and work with nature instead of trying to take advantage of nature and hide your scent and hide this, but to actually work with the environment around you, which is very important. What he showed us was the best thing you can learn when you're hunting or going in nature, period, just to be part of it.
Yeah, and and going through there and showing us where they bed, and we were going around, and as we were ending, we were up there an hour and a half, 2 hours,
Probably close to 2 hours, yeah.
and as we're coming around, Dave got me 15 yards from a deer, and we were downwind from that deer, and as we were walking, Dave stopped me, had his camera in his hand, pointed, and I couldn't have hit that deer with a bow and arrow, maybe not even with a gun, okay? But I know Dave could have, because he had that plenty of time. He pointed at me, and we were watching that deer just cut across us, and we startled him, and that was a great experience. So we came here to
make a bow, and we did, and the bows are beautiful. But coming here, making a bow is a tool and an experience in its own. But the real experience was being in nature, understanding yourself, understanding what the bow is, how the bow works, but also in turn how that reflects upon yourself, upon your character, about how things are, learning with nature, how to work with nature, how it's all interconnected, and it's all one thing. It teaches you so much. And his family was, oh my gosh, more than amazing.
Yeah, his wife's cooking is outstanding.
Cooking is just amazing. Really good food. That alone is worth any trip out here.
Family. Their hospitality, I'm telling you, this is, if you live the busy day in and day out grind like we do in California, in the day in and day out grind, come out here to Science Hill, take Dave's workshop, 5-day workshop, and I'm going to tell you something. There's a little Airbnb place. We stay at a little home right here in Science Hill.
Beautiful, yeah.
Awesome. It's on 20 acres. It's the same cost as the Quality Inn, the Holiday Inn. Do yourself a favor, get that little Airbnb. Look it up, you'll find it. It's a little farmhouse on 20 acres, and it is awesome. And the cost of that was, it was cheaper than getting a hotel, So, and sharing a bathroom with this guy, and maybe a bed. That ain't happening. But anyway.
Yeah, really think about if you come out here or if you want to do anything with this. Keep your mind open. Yes, you're coming to learn, build a bow, but there's so much more to experience. And really keep your mind, eyes, and heart open to the whole experience, and you will not be disappointed.
Yeah, Dave taught us about ourselves. He made us look within ourselves. You know, we built our bow. You know, and I have creativity of a rock. Okay, and I made this bow. And that's my creativity. My creativity is that of a rock, and I made these arrows. But most important, he helped me teach me to look within myself. He improved my shooting. Okay, and when he taught me how to walk in the woods. When he was walking, he was so quiet, and I have an extensive martial arts background, so yeah, I know what it's like to be light on my feet. But when I was walking in the woods, I was walking like I was stepping on cockroaches all over the place, you know. But he was quiet, and you're gonna get so much. Do yourself a favor, take the 5-day class. I hesitated myself. My wife talked me into it. I'm so glad she did. Take the 5-day class, and I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna you'll thank me. And you'll really like it. So
It'll change your life.
It will change your life. It's slowing me down, and it's making me take a look around. You'll see the life Dave. He leaves a very simple life. He lives and leads a very rich life with his family. They're awesome people, and they live, and they're just happy and content, and I'm happy they shared their little slice of heaven with us.
Yes.
Because,
Open arms, invited us to a family.
And Dave's really patient, and got us going. And he opens you up and teaches you how to make your bow. You shoot it. He walks you in the woods with your bow. We walked with these things in our hands. I didn't know. I had more trouble with my cell phone in my hand than I did my bow in my hand.
That's the truth.
And
yeah. That's truth with everything.
But this trip taught me about myself, not just building a bow, but about myself. And again,
And that's what Dave is too. He's a voyeur, but he's also a disciple of nature and understands what it's like and what it is to be part within yourself and to look in yourself and be honest. And an arrow won't shoot unless you're honest. And he's really shown me that you have to look within to shoot straight. You have to look within in your life to see what's around you, to be observant of what's around you, and you have to follow your own true path.
Yeah. So anyway, thank you for your time, and take the 5-day workshop.
And if we didn't mention, the food is amazing.
Yeah, the food and yeah, and I'm predominantly like a meat eater, but and she's cooking like a lot of vegetarian stuff, but it is the bomb.
Very good.
And the chocolate, oh, and the little energy shot,
Oh yeah, those are good.
and the smoothie.
And the cauliflower mash is amazing.
You know, what's the other one that we had the first
Oh,
day with the curry in
With
it?
the elderberries. Oh,
no curry. The elderberry's a little shot drink,
yeah, the shot drink.
but the
That was a curry dish. It was excellent. Vegetable curry.
yeah,
It was
but
excellent.
that mash was good. The cauliflower mash.
Oh, yeah.
Cauliflower. She had cauliflower pizza crust. It's
It's worth it.
trust me, you'll like it. Thank you.
I think